और अब खबरें तफसील से। वजीर आईटी व बल्दी नज़्म नक्श KTR ने तशवीश का इजहार किया कि हमारे मुल्क में जहां आबादी बहुत ज्यादा है, तिबी अखराजात में बहुत ज्यादा इजाफा हो रहा है। अगरचे कारोबार के लिहाज से ये एक अच्छा मौका है। उन्होंने मशवरा दिया कि सिर्फ मुनाफे के लिए काम ना करें, बल्कि जज्बे खिदमत खल्क के तहत काम करें। रियासती वजीर KTR LVPEI आई हॉस्पिटल हैदराबाद में मुनाकिदा स्टार्टअप चैलेंज फाइनल 2023 प्रोग्राम में शिरकत की। इस मौके पर मुनाकिदा तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए रियासती वजीर KTR ने कहा कि मगरबी ममालिक के मुकाबले हिंदुस्तान में कारोबारी बनना आसान नहीं है। रियासती हुकूमत ताजरों को जरूरी सहूलियात फराहम कर रही है। रियासत में साजगार सनती माहौल है। उन्होंने कहा कि वज़ीर आला के चंद्रशेखर राव जदीद टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बात करते वक्त हमेशा हमें याद दिलाते हैं कि वो पूछते हैं कि टेक्नोलॉजी का माशरा पर कितना असर पड़ेगा, क्या इस माशरे पर मुस्बित असरात मुरतब होते हैं।
If I actually can see it right. But you know what, I'm not going to stick to a... Yeah, I'm not going to be tested here. Dr. Rao, this is a very, very special institute, LVPEI Eye Institute. All the things that were just mentioned by all the preceding speakers, and I not only endorse, I wholeheartedly feel extremely elated each and every time I'm here. So this is a very special institute. You're a very special human being, actually. Because, and the reason why I say this is not because I'm here, not because you've invited me, but because, there are very few people in your life that you get to meet, who inspire you, who want you to be a better person. And Dr. G.N. Rao is certainly one among them. I can tell you without an iota of doubt. Because a lot of people in Hyderabad think that LVPEI is the founder of this institute. You have to be really selfless. You really have to be, a person with the utmost humility, not to want your name to be on the name of the institute that you founded. Now that in itself, I think, goes to tell you what kind of a man Dr. Kullapalli Nageshwara Garu is. So my compliments to you, sir. I think the recognition came in pretty late, actually, if you ask me, MSR. Being recognized by WHO as one of the top 10 most impactful guys in healthcare, sir. Kudos to you. Kudos to your contribution to the field of ophthalmology, and kudos to the institute you've built. Because this institute, again, has been recognized by Shumaz, is it? Shumago, as one of the top 10 research institutes in healthcare, in eye care in the world. Again, compliments to the institution you've built, sir. I think as individuals, when we, I think COVID, especially the last couple of years, has given us a lot of time to introspect, a lot of time to think, a lot of time to mull over what we do in life, where we are headed, etc., etc. And the one thing I think we all realized, end of the day, at least I have, is that, it is not an individual that is going to be there forever. Because, all of us, most of us have lost somebody that we know, or somebody that we love, or somebody in our family, or we knew somebody who lost somebody, that sort of thing. We live like we are here for 1,000 years. We all do. Every day, in and out, we're thinking about materialistic comforts, we're thinking about lofty ideals, lofty goals, where we want to be in life and what we want to accomplish in life, etc., etc. But the fact is, none of us are here forever. But what matters is what kind of an impact an individual has had over the society, and what kind of an institution or what kind of an impactful presence that man had or that woman had while he was on this planet. And I think truly outstanding people build institutions which outlast them. And I think LVPEI Eye Institute is a standing testimony to that. And my compliments to the entire team. From 1978 until today, 36 plus years, Dr. Rao, you've done truly well. And you continue to outdo yourself, because each and every time I see something like this, each and every time I'm invited here. I was here when Srujana Center for Innovation was launched. I was also here a couple of months ago to get my eyes tested. I've become old. I have 3 sets of reading glasses now, unfortunately. And I'm also, when Dr. KR was speaking, I was thinking to myself,